Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to change drawing template. So we'll go to drawings and as default we have this NC large for the template, and if you want to change this drawing template you can right click in sheet and then you can click edit sheet. To change, you can choose in here for size. Like I will change to the A4 paper size, and you can click OK to apply. So the template drawing will be changed into A4 paper size. To change again, you can right click in sheet, go to edit sheet, and then you can choose the size here, like A2, and I will use the portrait. Click OK to change the drawing template. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Inventor 2027. How to change drawing template.